Magkano nga ba ang kailangan mong puhunan para makapag-invest sa BDO? For as low as 1,500 pesos, meron ka ng 10 shares ng BDO and makakapag-invest ka na sa kanya. By the way, Mike nga pala of Stocksilog teaching you how to make money sa stock market. BDO Unibank Inc. or simply put, BDO. Isa ito sa pinaka-popular na bangko dito sa bansa dahil sa sobrang dami ng mga branches nila, not just in Metro Manila but nationwide. They offer a lot of product and services including retail banking, lending, treasury, trust, credit cards, corporate cash management, and remittances. BDO is the main financial subsidiary ng C Family which owns the SM Group. So, paano ka makapag-invest sa BDO? Well, kailangan mo munang mag-open ng tinatawag nating stockbroker katulad ng Dragonfly, 2Trade Asia, G-Stocks ng GCash, and marami pang iba. Today, nag-close ang market price ng BDO at 145 pesos 0.9. Pero hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng isang shares lang ha, kasi kailangan mo ng at least 10 shares based ito sa board lot. Kaya overall, you might need around 1,500 pesos including fees. And what I like about BDO, they give out dividends quarterly. So as a newbie, you might be wondering